One of the ways to prolong our lives by 5, 10 or 20 years is through so-called biohacking. And we have already more or less figured it out. Biohacking, first of all, is ensuring that we live a proper lifestyle. Be sure that optimizing your sleep, movement, diet, and getting into mindfulness can work miracles in prolonging your life. Then we can turn to supplements, technologies, medication, and more advanced treatments and protocols to up our game. We all need to start doing it now, whatever age we are. And we need to be persistent to have great effects. And in the time that we'll gain, the scientists will make new, amazing longevity breakthroughs and make sure we're on a good track.